Killer deal on this screw gun and drywall cutout tool. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way you tourist the platform by subscribing and like, so help out this channel by doing so. Guys, big shout out to Parashant. I don't know if I butchered your name. DOT at DO Team 6 for posting this deal. This is a pretty good deal. This is the M18 fuel. So you guys do see the difference. $3.59 on the one on the right and $2.89 on the one on the left. Obviously, we're gonna go to the one on the left. All right. So once we go here, and it doesn't matter the store that you. And by the way, if you guys want to hack this, you do have to go into the store and return the tool. We can't do it online anymore. So you got the M18 18 volts brushless cordless drywall screw gun, XC kit, M18 cutout tool. So you're getting the two batteries, a charger, and a bag, and the drywall screw gun and the drywall cutout tool. $2.89, and they are fuel, by the way. Well, at least the drywall screw gun is. All right. So and then you go down here to the free tool with purchase. So you select the battery, you add both to the cart. All right, the battery is going to come out to 98 and 31 cents. Not a good deal on that one, by the way. But this one is a really good deal. So this one's the $190.69 for two tools, two batteries, charger, and a bag. Killer deal on this one. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.